Thank you for joining the 90-Day Spanish Fluency Challenge. You are about to begin a powerful journey through 12 Latin American countries in just 12 weeks. Before continuing, I want to tell you two things. First, I want you to know that this system, this method, is proven. It's the same system I used 3 years ago to achieve fluency in English. I went from only understanding a few words and greetings to being able to express myself, meet people, and even work thanks to the language. So first, remember that this method is proven. And second, knowing that this system is going to work for you, you just have to do your part. Listen, learn, answer the questions, invest in yourself by acquiring Spanish. In the future, you will remember and celebrate having made this decision and keeping this commitment to yourself. One day at a time, one story at a time, enjoying the process. So, each week, we will explore a new country through an interesting article with its audio recording, a fun, interactive story, or asked story, carefully designed to improve your Spanish through listening, reading, and practicing. These stories will install grammar naturally, without complicated rules. They are the most important element of the challenge. These resources are made of real expressions, high-frequency vocabulary, and common phrases used by native speakers. But remember, this isn't just study material. It's an experience you will live. One that's designed to make Spanish feel natural, memorable, and enjoyable. Finally, join our exclusive WhatsApp group. In this group, you can find partners to practice the weekly stories, support each other, share tips and experiences, celebrate progress every week, solve questions, and enjoy. Please be kind and respectful. We are all here to grow together. So keep conversations focused on Spanish learning and make this space safe and inspiring for everyone. Let's make this challenge unforgettable. Vamos!